Yo man, I wanna buy a new phone.
What phone do you want?
I wanna go with Android.
You're gonna die if you buy that phone.
Hello everyone, my name is Altam and you're watching Ads. So I want to clear the fight. If you guys having the same problem to choose between Windows and Android, then you are in the right place. I'm gonna clear this problem. So without any further ado, let's get started. In this video, I'm gonna mention the pros and cons of each operating system. So now let's start with Android, as it's the world's topmost popular operating system used on smartphones. It is estimated that Android is used on 84% of smartphones. Wow, that's a great news, right? Right. To get a detailed look on Android, we need to go in the flashback. Android Inc. was founded by Andy Rubin, Rich Miners, Nick Sears, and Chris White. These guys founded Android Inc. in California in the year 2003. Maybe it's October. They actually wanted to create an operating system for digital cameras, but they soon realized that the market for digital cameras were not so huge. So they shifted their focus on developing smartphone operating system to compete with Symbian, which was popular at that time, and as well Windows Mobile. But these guys had no luck. They were not getting the result as expected. They thought they would dominate the smartphone industry, but they could not achieve their goals until Google bought it. They bought Android Inc. for $50 million. And after that, the first commercial device to be launched with Android operating system in it was HTC Dream, which was launched in 2008. The combination of this operating system and the phone was pretty good, as it has got some seamless integration with Google services. As we know, we use so many Google services in day-to-day usage like Gmail, YouTube, and stuff like that. And this operating system at an earlier stage has got some support for widgets. But the problem with this phone or operating system was it lagged as hell, which gave a negative impact on the customers that Android is equals to lagginess. But soon the users changed their point of view on Android, as Android was updating very quickly and every bug which was present in the previous version is solved in the next version. Android gained its popularity with 2.3 Gingerbread. This was about Android's operating system, a little history. We'll get into further details, but first let's discuss about the history of Windows operating system. As we all know, Windows was very popular from 1995. They had their PC operating system, desktop operating system. They had their popularity in the desktop market, but they want to grab a huge market. They want to dominate the operating system industry. Like they want to deploy their operating system on each and every device, like desktops, Windows, mobiles, Windows, microwave ovens, Windows. Very evil. So Windows Mobile was the, hey, what? I want to explain them. Can you do it? Yes, I can do it, because I know everything about Windows. Okay, thank you. Windows Mobile was the name given by Microsoft for their Pocket PC smartphones. In short, this Windows Mobile was first appeared in 2000 in the form of Pocket PC. That means the name was Pocket PC, but it was not actually PC, it was just a mobile phone. But it looks exactly similar to the desktop operating system. Hence, it was a little bit difficult to operate when compared to the present operating systems, or in general present Lumia or the Windows Phone operating system. But soon the name was changed to Windows Phone in 2003. Maybe Microsoft didn't like the name Windows Mobile and they changed it. But in the time of Windows Mobile serving its period, it was the most popular operating system in the US. The year was 2007. But soon in the following years, that means in 2010, the glory of Windows Mobile started to fade since it got a very tough competition with iOS and Android. So Microsoft decided to suspend the development of Windows Mobile, and from there the name was changed to Windows Phone. But fun fact is Windows Mobile applications does not run on Windows Phone, and as reverse, Windows Phone application does not run on Windows Mobile. It lacks backward compatibility. The last version of Windows Mobile was Windows Mobile 6.5.5. Farewell, Windows Mobile. That guy is going to talk about his Windows. I'm an Android phone. I'll talk about Android then. You are out. So now let's look at how Android and Google got their spot in top one position, or maybe a tough competition for iOS. In 2010, Google started a Nexus. This Nexus program brought the latest and greatest operating system, that's Android, to a particular Nexus device. That means every year a company pairs with the Nexus, like LG pairs with Nexus. Nexus is not a separate company, it's just a program. So for example, LG pairs with Nexus, so LG Nexus, and they release the phone. What this Nexus phone and the rest of Android phone have difference is Nexus is purely stock basic Android, pure complete Android, no bloatware, no other abilities, no nothing new features. What Android brings to the table, same and seamless integration would be on that particular Nexus phone. Nothing, no custom ROMs and stuff like that. But you can install new features later. But when you just pick the phone from your new box, then you will just find Nexus pure Android. Nexus is equals to pure Android. First company to take part in this Nexus program is HTC. They released their first Nexus device, that's Nexus 1. Since the Nexus lineup of smartphones have grown enormously. Nexus is so simple. If Android brings any new features, the first update would be to the Nexus. Then the rest of the OEM and the other manufacturers take the Android code and they can utilize that code and the new features which are present in Android. But basically Nexus is always first in getting updates, new features, bug fixes and stuff like that. Google has since updated the series with newer devices such as Nexus 6 made by Motorola and Nexus 9 made by HTC. There were so many iterations in Nexus. Nexus 1, Nexus 2, Nexus 3, Nexus 4, Nexus 5, Nexus 6, and speaking of tablets, Nexus 6, Nexus 7. And this Nexus program is not just for smartphones, it's even for tablets. Don't get confused with Google Play Edition phones versus Nexus. Google Play Edition phones similar to Nexus, but this time the software is given to the manufacturers like Samsung, Sony, etc. That's basically similar to stock Android, but the OEM would be different. So this was all about the Nexus program and Google Play Edition phones. So that's it guys for this video. I know this is a long topic to discuss, so I have decided to go in parts. The first part you have watched this. In the next part you will see how the two operating systems have matured from amateur state to present mature state. So I hope you like this video, and if you like the intro, you're gonna thank this person. He is my friend Abhishek, so he have done the intro. If you like this intro, let me know in the comments below. And if you have any questions, suggestion to this video and anything related to stuff, you can always comment down below. So till then guys, if you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to this channel for more videos like this, and this is all signing off. You guys have a great day. Bye for now.